Welcome to BWB TV. I'm Cheryl Scott of BioProcess International, and this is Eun Young Yang from Samsung BioLogics. We're going to chat a little bit about the transition to CDMO from CMO. Samsung BioLogics is already a major forward-thinking CMO.
Yes.
Serving a growing industry.
Yes.
But now you're adding the D,
Yes.
development services. And can you tell me a little bit about the decision to do that, why you're doing that, and how you think that market, the CDMO market, is changing?
Yes, it's been about 7 years since Samsung BioLogics entered into biopharmaceutical industry. For the last 7 years, now we believe that we became top #1 CMO player in the world. So, and also we noticed that there are lots of increasing development needs from biopharmaceutical companies. Also, there are lots of developing biologics development pipeline on the market. So, our clients are looking for reliable development and manufacturing partners. So that is why we decided to add our service with development to manufacturing. So it's like we believe that in terms of investment efficiency, our clients, especially small biotech companies and pharmaceutical companies, they'd better focus on R&D rather than process development and manufacturing. So by working with Samsung BioLogics, they can save lots of capex while utilizing the reliable, capable development and manufacturing services. So we are supporting our clients to launch their product much faster on the market.
What kind of services, actual services, are you adding, and what's your expertise in molecules, product modalities?
Samsung BioLogics is the true one-stop service providers integrating development and manufacturing. We are providing from cell line development, process development, toxic material production, and also formulation, analytical method development, and all through clinical and commercial productions. So it's like since we are providing end-to-end service, integrated drug substance and drug product at the same site, our client doesn't have to deal with several different vendors. That means it saves a lot of time and cost for our clients so that they can win the market.
Biologics take an average of 5 to 10, maybe more years to go from discovery to product launch. How do your timelines compare to the average?
It's like, since our service area is, and especially about process development and manufacturing, for development service, standard timeline, we are providing 16 months from cell line development to IND filing. Also, we are providing fast track for a client who wants to be on the market as soon as possible with 13 months from cell line development to an IND filing. And also for commercial section, with our plan #1, it took us only 21 months to be approved by the regulatory authorities. Based on that experience, we expedited with our plan #2 approval. It took only 19 months.
That's fast. What else differentiates
It's
Samsung?
like Samsung, yes. It's like in Samsung BioLogics, we are providing a lot of advantages to our client. So we can tell you it's like in Samsung BioLogics, it's the most qualified CDMO chosen by client. We are providing superior quality, high speed, maximum flexibility with lowest cost. Our is like in providing cost of goods is like in much lower. It's like in about 40% less than other pharma companies. So it's like also we received CMO Leadership Award for all 6 categories for 2 consecutive years in 2017 and 2018.
Oh, all right. If you look ahead 5 to 10 years, what do you see for the future of Samsung BioLogics?
We believe that it's like, from now on, it's like outsourcing rate will be increased a lot, around 40 to 50%, around 22, especially for process development and manufacturing.
Wow.
So from now on, about it's like in 5 to 10 years, Samsung BioLogics will be long-term strategic partner for process development and manufacturing for pharma companies and biotech companies.
Right.
So it's like as we did it's like a CMO field for the last 7 years. So
Yep.
eventually we believe that Samsung BioLogics will be number one in CDMO.
All right. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Yes, it was my pleasure.
Yep.
Thank you.